Hey, Boobs! It's Bob. Yeah, Boobs, but whatever, man. Can you hold the baby for about 5 minutes? I need to get to the liquor store real quick and buy some beer. You see, I'm allergic to babies. You know, I have the baby tonsillitis, so you see my hands start to tremble when I hear the word baby. And look at my knees. You still owe me $2. If I hold your baby right now, I won't have to give you $2. Deal. Alright, here you go. I'll be back. Do you want to poop on my hands, bitch? Do you know there's a place called Disneyland? Do you want to go there?